Getscreen's real edge is being fully browser-based. Nothing to install on the other person's machine. And cheaper, especially with the lifetime deal. That's the part of Getscreen nobody puts in the headline. So, is it actually worth your money?
We've read the fine print and pulled the receipts. And if the honest answer is skip it, that's exactly the verdict you'll hear.
Okay, first things first. What does it actually do?
Here's the core of it. Browser-based remote desktop and remote support software. Connect to any computer with no client install, share one-click access links, transfer files, and record sessions. For IT teams, MSPs, and remote support.
That's the pitch. Now, the price.
Let's talk price. There's a free tier that genuinely does something, and paid plans kick in around $50 a month. Every tier is broken down in the free dossier on our AIBuilder marketplace website, and we never make the numbers up.
And the catch? Hold on, every tool has fine print. Is this actually worse than normal?
AnyDesk tends to feel faster and lower latency, and TeamViewer carries the heavier security or compliance certifications, HIPAA, SOC 2. And that's not our opinion. It's on their own pricing page.
So, who is it genuinely for?
Honestly, IT and support people who want browser-based remote access without installing software on the other person's machine, at a fair price or a one-time fee.
And who should walk away?
Simple. Skip it if you need the absolute lowest latency, anyDesk, or heavy compliance certifications like HIPAA or SOC 2, TeamViewer. So, the verdict. Worth it if you're IT and support people who want browser-based remote. Skip it if you need the absolute lowest latency.
The complete Getscreen dossier, every claim sourced, every flag with its evidence, is free in the Honest Software Atlas on our AIBuilder marketplace website. No sign up.
And if Getscreen isn't your fit, the honest alternative is one click away.
Use Getscreen yourself? The dossier now takes reader reviews, and critical ones get published too.
Quick one for the comments. Are you team free tier or team pay for power? We read every single one.
One honest software review, every single week.
No hype, no fake discounts. And we say skip it when that's the truth. Subscribe and catch the next one.